here it goes.
So what you saying? I don't know what happened. So you'll see you out here, bro.
Who said that?
Shit. Baby, I think that man text me. I ain't never talked to something that. Every time I go for a cigarette break, I call him. That man talk to me the whole time. I don't know when to get off.